Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Joe, and this is Tuesday, April 26th. Got to do a review for this. I promised this company I would do it. They sent me this product. I'm going to fulfill my end of it. These things I like. I recommend everybody have one in their cars. This is I'm going to try the name, Salton. That's the thing about all these Chinese made products. They got thousands of different names. This is their Model S6 1200 amp starter. This will start a 7.5 liter gas engine or a 6 liter diesel about 20 times on a single charge. And it has a couple other unique features, which none of the others that I have are capable of this. I'm going to do the unboxing and review of it. So let me unbox it. All right, that's it. It's unboxed. Got a cute little case. Now, something I wanted to mention on the box, I don't understand this. Maybe when they see this, they'll explain it to me. What is enjoy the hand working? I don't know that one. But the box has all the technical specs on it that I won't go over because I'm not a technical spec kind of guy. I just tell you it works or it doesn't work. That's all I do. But there's your technical specs. So let's dig into the case. See what it has to offer. All right. First things first. Let's go to the meat of the product. Well, you have a warranty card. You have the very important user manual. Got to have that. Now, let's see what this one looks like. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty good looking one, actually. It's not very heavy. Sorry about that. It's got a good feel to it. So, yeah, I like it. You got a light. You hold that down. Yep. If you hold it down. Oh, flashy. SOS. And off. Pretty cool. Also, on the front, you have the output and the input. You got two USB-A out and a USB-C out or in. What do you mean by out or in, Joe? What's that? That's a PD18W bilateral port. How's that? Um, what this means is you can charge it off of any cell phone charger, any of those adapters that you plug into. You don't need a separate AC cord to charge this. You don't need the 12-volt cigarette lighter thing in your car to charge this. You can use your USB port to charge it. You know, it'll charge your phone or it will charge this. So I like that feature. You use it in your car, plug it into your USB in your car, and charge it right back up in about 3 hours. It'll be 100% charged. That is really convenient. Because I remember one of the first ones of these I got, I lost the AC charger and I had to order one. This is great. I like this. So, what kind of goodies do we get? This is 12 volt out. Let me see what's in the case side of it. We have a USB A to USB C, or to charge this. This is USB A to USB C. This I can use my power block right here. Plug this in and charge this device right here without having to have a separate AC charger. I use that for my batteries for my camera. You have USB-C to USB-C. Two ways you can do it. You have a DC out, so that if you had, say your tire was low, and you had one of those little compressors to plug into your cigarette lighter and you're trying to get a cord all the way around, you can plug it into this, air up your tires or whatever you need to do with your 12 volt. That's a handy one. I like that. And you have the intelligent jumper cables. And they're intelligent because they tell you if you have them hooked up backwards. There's lights on the side of this, if I can show it properly, but it'll be a red light if they're not hooked up properly. Green light is good. You hit the boost button and start the vehicle. That's how easy it is. And actually, those are pretty good clamps compared to some of them I've seen, because I have a few of these. I've given them away as gifts. I've done giveaways with them. I like this because of how easy it is to charge back up. What's hard is putting this stuff back in the case and making it all fit like it came. That's pretty near impossible. But I'm going to try it. With not having to put so much in, it might not be as big a problem. Alright, something like that. Then this goes in, and these go in. See if we can zip back up. Well, looky here. So yeah, the Softon S6. Like I said, it's a nice little power bank. I don't know how many milliamp hours. Let's see if I can see on the box here, if it tells you. 55 watt hours. That's interesting. I've never seen that listed on one before. But I don't know how many milliwatt hours. Starting current, 400 amps. Peak current is 1200 amps. So you can jump start pretty much anything. Jump starting output is 14.8 volts of direct current. So for your 12 volt battery, you've got exactly what you need to jump start a vehicle. I like this one. I think this is a good one. I wish I'd have gotten it a couple of weeks ago, because I'd have done a live video trying to start my pickup before I got the new battery in it. I'd have tried to jump it with this, just for a test. But I keep these in every vehicle, you know, whether your vehicle is going to need it or not. I don't know. I can't tell you how many times I've been at the mall or somewhere and somebody's like, do you have, you know, jumper cables? Can I get a jump? And this would be so much easier than having to pull your car up in front of it and batteries being on the wrong side and trying to hook up jumper cables. This, you just whip this out and jump start the people and they go on their way. They're really convenient. So, you know, you can, if you teach people how to use this, you can jump start your own car. If your wife or your son or daughter or whatever is out driving, the battery goes dead, you know, especially during winter time. You know, instead of looking for someone, taking the chance of trying to find somebody to jumpstart you or call you, they can jumpstart their own car with this. If this is in the car, you know, they can jumpstart their own vehicle and drive home. That's what's so cool about it. Do it by yourself. You don't have to pay anybody, or you don't have to try to look for anybody, or you don't have to call one of your friends and try to tell them to come and do it. This is awesome. So that's my review. I say get them. This one, like I said, has a lot of good Amazon reviews, so I do believe this would be a good one. And I promised I was going to do this for them. I keep my promises. Hope you like this review. Like I said, you can go check it out on Amazon. There'll be a link down in the description. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's what you do. We should all be golden. Appreciate you watching. This is Joe. I'm out.